Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen that this crude has made a high at a level of $130. After that we have seen there is a continuous fall, and till now we have not seen that this level has come. If you look at this particular chart, what we can see, there is a pattern forming. Okay, and what this pattern says that whenever it's hitting its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall is coming. Okay, and this sharp fall is 10, 50 to even 100% we have seen. Okay, now there is a continuous fall we have seen. Okay, and now it is trading at a level of $62.8. See, there is something that you have to note, that $68 is a strong support as of now. $77 will act as a resistance because the price is trading at a level of 72.85. so once the price sustains this level, we can see a probability that it can go further upside. Okay, and then $85.5, this is the level, it will act as a resistance. Okay, these are the some of the resistance and support which will, if it sustain this level, a probability of touching 85.5 is on a higher side, and then we can see there can be a probability of going further upside for the price of crude. Okay, so before I explain you where it can go in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. See, if you look at this previous high, what we have seen since 2 weeks, it is going upside. Okay, and now it is if you look at this particular support, a level of $72.7 is a strong support. Okay, so if the price fall below this level, then you can see, yes, it can go towards 71.98 and then further low, but till the time it is sustaining this level, then you can see it can go further upside. Okay, now suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are very high, because we have seen that this level we have not seen since June. On the first week this level has come, and now it has crossed this particular level, so chances are very high it can touch a level of $73.15. Okay, suppose if the price sustain above $73.15, it can cross a level of 73.5 to a level of $73.9. Okay, once the price sustain above that level, it can cross that level and can touch a level of around $74.7, and if that level goes further high, then we can see it can touch a level of 74.9. Okay, so you have to keep it in mind, once it move above a level of 74.9, then yes, a probability of going further upside, we can see it can touch a level of $75.71. Okay, so once the price sustain above $75.71, a probability of going further upside, we can see, yes, then it can sustain a level of $76.70. Why I am telling you all this, you have to understand something, that these are the resistance which I am telling you. This will act as a support as well as resistance, and from there a bounce back can come, or if it moves above that particular level, then these will act as a support. So there is a chances of booking profit at that particular level, or if it sustain above that particular level, you can keep that as an SL, so that your profit can be saved as well as your capital. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain above $76.70, it can go further upside, and chances are very high it can go further high towards a level of $79.31, and once it sustain above $79.31, it can go towards above a level of $81.8. Okay, that is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around $83.5. Okay, again I repeat, once the price sustain above this particular level, it can go further upside, and a probability of going towards a level of $83.5, that is already being a weak resistance. Okay, so keep that in mind. Once started sustaining above that level, we can see it can touch a level of 85.5. so once the price sustain above 85.5, yes, you can say it can go further upside, and once the price sustain above 85.5, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Now you have to understand that market is always uncertain. Okay, if you are thinking that the price will go sharp on the upside, where the target you think, okay, if there is a bigger target, okay, otherwise if you are looking for intraday, that's a different thing, but if you are looking for a longer view, you have to set your SL. Okay, or even for the intraday you have to set your SL, so that if there is a big movement is coming, there is a breakout coming, or there is a news comes, then you should be prepared if your SL hit, so that capital cannot be wiped out. Or always set a limit for your particular trade for a particular day, week, etc. Okay, I teach all these things in my workshop. If you want to attend that, and you can mail me, and then we can work out on the timings. Okay, so always try to set a limit, so it will save your capital as well as your profit. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, what you can see, it can move further down towards a level of $72.67 to a level of $72. Okay, now once the price fall below $72, it can touch a level of around $70.94. Okay, and if that level move further low, then a probability of going towards $69.5 is there. Okay, once the price fall below 69.5, chances of going towards $68.9 is there, and from there it can cross that particular zone and can cross a level of around $67. Okay, because once it fall below a level of 69.5, chances of touching a level of 68 is there, and once it fall below that particular level, then we can see it can fall further down, and a probability of going towards 65.12 is there. Okay, once the price fall below 68. Okay, now if you look at this particular level, $68, okay, that is a strong support. So you have to understand something. Once the price fall below 69, chance of touching a level of 68.12 is there, and from there it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of $65.12. Okay, now once the price fall below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 64.12 is there, and if the price fall below that level, we can see it can touch a level of around $63.5. Okay, now once the price fall below $63.5, yes, then you can say that this level we have not seen since August of 21. So chances are very high it can go further low, and a probability of touching a level of below 60 is there. We can see it can touch a level of around 60.89 and then further down if the price fall, and chances are very high it can fall further low. Okay, when there will be a trend breakout, because since August of 21 we have not seen if the price fall below 63 level. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.